screen while turning. It's not turning. So I need to read that thing. Okay, this one, lock, and it's turning, it's doing the thing, or doing the job, and going closer. So yeah, forward, reverse, reverse, forward. Okay. So this is it for the video, boys. Yeah, this new. All right, I got it, and I try to leave it alone. No one help me here, just me. Okay, oh cute, beautiful, small, yay. Okay, so I leave this. Yeah, I can leave it. Oh, what's that? Oh god, dangerous, what happened there? Okay. I can't live in here. Will be damaged. So what? Where I can leave this thing? This one, no. Hey, cute. Hopefully it can help my job, my project done. Like that. It's little bit heavy. Heavy. All right. There you go. Yep. And this is 10 amps. 10 amp is good. Take a look at the motor here. So yeah, you have a gearbox page, stud gearbox, pitch mm 0.5, 0.7, 0.8, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2 and 2.5. What is pitch? Diameter. So 2.5. I did not know yet. I have to discover it. That's why I bought it. I bought it to learn. Okay. And stud gear A, B, and C. So this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C. So too much to learn, eh? Start from the basic. Yeah, as long as it can help me my jobs, I mean my projects done, that's fine. Okay. Wow. Okay. Bobby chair. Yes. Like that. So yeah, this is it. Okay. Safety first. Have to read the safety thing, and emergency switch off. Control the, what's the AB, forward, reverse. So that's reverse here, and neutral, forward. Good. And then this is adjustment for 200 RPM, I think. Revolution per minute. Yeah, 1100. Left was the lift, high and low. So low is 1100, and then the high is 2500. So okay, I think that's RPM. I put it back. I have to clear this thing, put it aside before I continue. Wow. Right. Beautiful. How much here? Okay. How heavy is it? Not too heavy. I put it over there. Okay, this is it. So I have to bolt in here. I can bolt in here. Just temporary bolt there, and on the other side too. Cute machine. Alright. Okay. What happened in here? What's in there? Left feed. What's the left feed? Push, rotate, don't change. So this is it. Don't change. Left stuff, right feed. Rotation is always like that. Okay. And this one is safety screen while turning. Remarks: before the forward reverse switch, please turn the speed control knob to the lowest speed. So this one, lowest speed like that. Then forward and reverse.